Welcome to the cozy world of modern farmhouse bedrooms. Ready to transform your space? Let's start with wall colors. Opt for soft neutral shades like beige or light gray. How about an accent wall? Shiplap paneling adds instant farmhouse charm. Now let's talk about your bed frame. A solid wooden frame sets the scene perfectly. Pair that with vintage style furniture for a complete look. Think rustic dressers and nightstands. Bedding is your next cozy layer. Start with soft sheets and add a chunky knit throw. Don't forget that jute rug for added warmth and texture underfoot. It's lighting time. Swap those basic lamps for stylish lanterns or sconces. An overhead chandelier adds that perfect farmhouse touch to your space. Next, let's add those decorative accents that truly personalize your bedroom. Framed art or rustic mirrors can elevate the look of your room, adding charm. Opt for a few meaningful pieces instead of clutter. Less is more. To really complete that farmhouse feel, bring in some greenery. And let's not forget about scent. A lavender candle can elevate the ambiance. And that's a wrap. You're all set to create your modern farmhouse bedroom. What was your favorite tip? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips.